Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your lock screen wallpaper for Android 13. So in order to do this, let's click and open up our settings. Here find wallpaper and style, change wallpaper. Now select the photo you like or go for your photos. Actually, let's pick something else, this one. And here you'll be able to select lock screen, click OK and set as lock screen. Now let's lock this device, try unlocking it, and the picture is changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.